Welcome back to On Target with Archer. I'm Stacey Bressler, Managing Partner here at Archer Energy Solutions, and today we're wrapping up our September series on network segmentation for critical infrastructure by looking forward toward Zero Trust and how it extends well beyond the traditional Purdue model. For decades, we know that the Purdue model has given us this simple map. It's enterprise IT at the top, with control networks and field devices at the bottom and clearly defined layers in between. It's still a valuable way to visualize your environment, but modern operations have basically outgrown a purely perimeter-based mindset. Remote monitoring, cloud analytics, mobile maintenance tools, and vendor connections have kind of blurred that line that was once clean between IT and OT. Relying on static layers alone is just no longer enough. That's where Zero Trust comes in. At its heart, Zero Trust is very simple. Never trust, always verify. It assumes that no device, user, or connection is inherently safe, even if it's inside your own network. Instead of drawing a single wall and hoping it holds, you continuously validate every request and every flow of information. Applying Zero Trust to OT doesn't mean ripping out the Purdue model. It means reinforcing it. Think of it as adding security inside the layers, not just between them. Identity-based controls replace implicit trust. Least privilege access ensures that every user and service can reach only what it truly needs. Continuous monitoring and anomaly detection watch for lateral movement, even when attackers find a way past your first line of defense. Yes, adopting Zero Trust in critical infrastructure takes some very careful planning. You have to work with engineer teams, operations, and vendors to make sure authentication and verification don't interfere with real-time control. But the payoff is significant. A security posture that remains strong even when boundaries shift and new technologies connect. The Purdue model gave us the blueprint. Zero Trust makes it resilient for the future. That is all I have for this episode on Target with Archer and for our September focus on network segmentation. I'm Stacey Bressler. Thanks for joining me all month. Stay vigilant, stay adaptive, and I'll see you next time.
Don't miss out on any of our insightful content. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay informed whenever we release new videos. For top-tier security solutions, Archer is your trusted partner. Explore our offerings at archerint.com and get in touch via email or phone to fortify your company's defenses. Your questions drive our content. Leave them in the comments below and join us every Monday for a fresh episode of On Target with Archer.